Okay, gosh, if you can copy me pretty good, what you really need is a little EQ. First thing is you need to get a little EQ going on your audio. I think if you had a more top end, I could understand what you're saying. I can hear you in there. You're a couple of dB above my noise level, but I can't make out the actual words that you're speaking. So I think you do need a little more articulation in your audio curve. So go to your equalizer and crank in at least 2 to 3 dB top end boost additional to whatever your EQ control is at the moment. Roger?
Control is at the moment. Roger? Roger. KD0HLV.
Okay, do you know where your equalizer is?
Do you know where your equalizer is?
Station that HLV or something like that. This is KC9VKV. Do you copy?
VKV, do you copy? I got a copy on you there. Say again.
Roger. Were you going to try to strike that EQ curve boost on the top end at this moment?
On the top end at this moment? I don't know that I know what you're talking about.
Do you know where your equalizer is on your radio?
Equalizer is on your radio? No, I got an IC7600.
Okay, let me give you some notes, and you can work it as your leisure to find these different things. Roger?
Find these different things. Roger? Roger.
Okay, the first thing you want to do is find your compressor, your processor. It can go by either name, processor, compressor. You want to find the compressor and bring it in line, turn it on, and adjust it for a 3 input. 3 out of 10, 30 out of 100. We just want about a third of the capabilities of that compressor. About a 3 out of 10, 30 out of 100. A third of its capabilities. Then once you get the compressor in line, move to your ALC meter, bring up your ALC meter, and with mic gain in hand, adjust your ALC meter to where it's running mid-scale to 2/3. You adjust your mic level, and you just speak naturally and transmit in your natural voice, and take your mic gain control and adjust it to where your ALC meter is running mid-scale to 2/3. Roger?
Scale to 2/3. Roger? Let me work it out a little bit. The compressor is on 3 right now.
All right, then after you get your ALC meter running mid-scale to 2/3, I want you to go to your equalization, go to your EQ, your equalization, and bring a top-end boost 3 clicks from where it is. Add 3 clicks to your top-end EQ from wherever it is at the moment. Roger?
At the moment. Roger? Roger. Roger. Okay, let me do some checking here. We're trying to get back to it now a little bit. KD0HLV.
Okay, let's work just a little bit on getting the call sign. I'd like to get your call sign. If you could repeat that again, please, slowly, phonetically.
That again, please, slowly, phonetically. Kilowatt, David, 0, Hotel, Lima, Victory.
Hotel Lima Victory, is that a Roger?
Hotel Lima Victory, is that a Roger?
Okay, and what's the name there?
Okay, and what's the name there? The name here is Mike. Mike,
Roger, Mike, and what's your location, sir?
Roger, Mike, and what's your location, sir? It is southwest Missouri, Berry County.
Roger on Missouri. Okay, Mike, gosh, I wish I had a better copy on you, but it is what it is, so we just deal with it. Hopefully you can crank in those notations that I gave you and join us next Friday. We run between 3:30 and 5 Eastern on this frequency, recording all the while, and we have been recording your transmissions. If you would like to hear where you are now today, we don't have a great copy, but we did do have some copy on you there. So if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page, and on that page you'll be looking for a recording entitled My Group Air Check 5/22/20. That's today's date. My Group Air Check 5/22/20. Roger?
220, Roger.
All right, Mike. Well, let me say threes to you, sir. Have a great afternoon, a beautiful weekend coming up, and if you get a chance, join us next Friday. We'd love to have you. And also on that Qso-Vlog recording, it'll take us a couple of days to get it up there, so we should have it posted up on YouTube within 48 hours. Roger.
Within 48 hours, Roger. Roger. Thank you very much.
Roger, Mike. Three's that way, sir. Thanks for dropping by. This is KC9VKV, the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog net. If you've got a radio you want to check out, give me a shout.